Hello everyone, my name is Victor Odigoma Ohia. You are welcome to our class today. In this class, we are going to be looking at linear inequality, and the level where we are now is range of values. Range of values in linear inequality. This should be the 6th or the 7th class. We have done a lot of classes in linear inequality, and I'm trusting God that if you check on those classes, it will be of good help to you. Yes, it will be of good help to you to understand what we are going to be doing at this level. So I have two questions here. These two questions, of course, they are WAEC examinable questions that I got, to buttress what I'm discussing here. Okay, these questions, one is expected to simplify them and present the results in a range. So you are going to see how I'm going to do it. So if you have a problem like this, solution. Okay, the first one, A. If I have 2x plus 5 greater than 1, the simple thing I do here is just to collect the like terms. Okay, so I will collect the like terms and I will have 2x greater than 1 minus 5. So this will be 2x greater than what now? Minus 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So if I divide both sides by 2, I will have 2x over 2 greater than minus 4 over 2. And here I will have x is greater than what? Minus 2. Do we get that? So the second part is x minus 4 is less than 1. So this will go over there and be x is less than 1 plus 4. It then means that x is less than 5. So if you check this, check the way the pattern, this thing can be, I can rearrange this thing as minus 2. Minus 2 is less than x. I can rewrite this as this. Okay. So minus 2 is less than x. X is greater than minus 2. Okay. So is it possible for us to bring this and this together? And I say yes. So it then means that if I bring them together, it then means minus 2 is less than x, and this same x is less than 5. Did you see the way it is presented in a range? So minus 2 is less than x, and that same x is less than 5. It's an interval. So you can show it on the number line as on the real number line. If here is minus 2, maybe somewhere here is the origin and somewhere here is 5. Okay? It then means the interval you are trying to define will start from here and stop here. Okay? So I'm sure you know the reason this is open. Okay? That's what we discussed in the introductory class. So if you check out our introductory class, Introduction to Linear Inequality, I explained everything about the inequality symbols. So if you check on that class, you see the reason why, the meaning, the interpretation, or the implication of this being open and the implication of that being closed, shaded, okay, is well explained in our introductory class. Okay, now if you look here, you realize that this is the interval. This is the interval that satisfies this range. Let's also look at the second problem we have here, B. The B part says, here I have 3 plus x greater than 1. Okay. No. 3. Oh, look at what I want to write to. I've mixed it with this one. 3 plus x less than equals to 5. And then we have also this one, but like I did here, you treat this one separately. So if you watch here, you will realize that if I bring this 3 over here, I will have x less than or equals to 5 minus 3. And this will become that x is less than or equals to 2. You keep it. So simple. Do you not? Yeah. All right. The next is 8 plus x greater than or equals to 5. So by implication, this is x greater than or equals to 5 minus 8. That means x is greater than or equals to minus 3. You know, I can rewrite this expression as minus 3 is less than or equals to x. So can we bring it together with this? Yes. So this will come first, and this will come next. So this will be minus 3 is less than or equals to x, and this same x is less than or equals to 2. Can you see that? Then you can put it on the number line from minus 3, okay, maybe here the origin, and somewhere here 2, to this, and you have a shaded base. Please check out my introductory class on the interpretations of these inequality symbols. Check out that class to understand the meaning of this being shaded and as that one being open. I did a thorough explanation about it. So this is a typical presentation of this interval on the real number line. Okay, that's the explanation.